Okay, so let me start by saying peace to the guys and goddesses. You see them out here in the sun, shoes off, meditating. All right, so if you haven't been meditating, I need you to link into your higher self through these meditations. We need to get in as much sunlight as possible, drink as much water as possible. We are burning my eye, the sun in my eye, but we are raising in frequency, family. The entire planet is alive, so understand that we got to get out here and do this. Meditate. You see it? No shoes on. Let my eyes touch the soil beneath me, to connect to the energy beneath you. Understand that this planet came from you. All right? Everything around you, these what you think are trees, are really 30-millimeter bushes, but they are also the antennas of the earth. That's why they run all beneath the earth and all above it. See, it's a clear sky today, family. You know? So that's what I got going on. I'm not gonna make this video too long. I'm finna go into an hour meditation. After this, I will be going live on Facebook. But I just want to talk to y'all real quick about meditation. And when you do it, you need to do it with bare feet. Try to get out here and let your feet touch this soil. All right? So, also, I'll be posting more videos telling you exactly how to meditate. But I want to tap in real quick and just, get this initial video rolling, showing you that when you do meditate, let your eyes, you have 9 eyes, family. All right? You have, let me sit this right here real quick. All right, so you have 9 eyes, family, okay? You have these 2 that you see, that you look with. Okay, that's 2. You have the pineal gland. That makes 3. You have these 2, one right here, one right here. That's 5. You have these 2 in your kneecaps. That's 7. Then you have 2, one right here, one right here. On the bottom of your feet. Your feet are very powerful. They are the electrical, how can I put it? Think about how when you have wires that run through any system, how the wires connect to get the surge, to create the electrical surge. Well, the bottom of your foot you are the electricity. The soil is the plug. You got to connect to the soil, connect to the atmosphere around you. That's why they put soles on your bottom of your shoes, because you are literally walking on your soul, because the soles that's in your shoes is made of rubber. And that rubber is harnessing and hurting all your electricity, your magnetism, your dark matter energy. All right? So in these eyes, these are your eyes to help, when you do meditate, help you come back to this physical realm. Also the higher gateways. This is why they taught you in prayer to close your eyes. All right? So real quick, these 9 eyes, each of them, the 2, these are the liquid on this realm. The pineal glands for you to see things clearly for what they really are, to see past all the electrical surges. All right, the light codes that they have created to manipulate and bend light to make you see, to make you see things around you that's not really there. All right. We want to get back to growing our natural hair, wearing our natural hair, whether you lock it or wear it in an afro or just wear it natural. You want to have some hair on your head, because your hair is also antenna, connects you to the universe and the elements and the planet around you. All right? These eyes in your hand are very, very powerful. They are actually your headlights for your entire physical avatar. Okay? The bottom of your feet, the most powerful. Okay? Because it connects you to inner earth beneath you, into the atmosphere, the stratosphere, the electromagnetic field of the planet. You can't feel it on that asphalt right there. You can only feel it if you let your feet touch this soil. All right, see, I got my crystals on, so I'm finna charge up. But that's a quick drop on the meditation and how you need to be out here. All right, you want to be in this good photon energy. You see this photon energy hitting me? That's what you want to be in. All right. So, with that being said, I will be doing more videos, but this one, I just want to talk to y'all about the 9 different eyes that you have and make you all aware of them, and how do you need to put your 2 of your most important eyes are the ones that's on the bottom of your feet, and you need to connect those to the earth under you. All right, to tap into this energy that's here now. All right, so I don't want to make this video too long. I love y'all. I'm finna go on an hour meditation. I will see y'all soon. Peace to the gods and goddesses of Planet Kai. All right, the 500-year invasion is over, family. Everything is going back to nature. Now we rise. One, I leave as I come.